Hello, YouTube. My name's Manta Ray. I'm here with Espresso Joe and the Care Bears of Rainbow Village. We're putting together some Aloha Tiger Mai Tais. If you hear some background noise, it's the Care Bears getting excited. We are in Rainbow Village looking down on beautiful Honolulu as I bring together a round of what I call the Aloha Tiger Mai Tai. We're going to start with ice in a shaker and 3 types of rum. I've already measured out a little rum in this one. We're going to go with 3 chiggers, different types of rum. That one was a coconut rum. You could use Bacardi. This time I'm going to go with Sailor Jerry as kind of a basic rum, spiced rum. And then you want to have 1 dark rum as well. Today the dark rum's going to be Myers. After you have the 3 types of rum, you need to have some type of a fruit component. I prefer pineapple juice. So we had 3 chiggers of rum. I'm going to go with 2 of the pineapple juice. It's about a half of a small can. Then we get into some of the secret ingredients. These all layer the drink. You don't want just rum and juice. You want to have some dimensions to it. So one of the secret ingredients is, I'm going to have it upside down so I don't spill it on me. It's cream of coconut. I use just a generous squirt. Now I have to wait for a little gravity there because I had it upside down. I don't want to make a mess. There it is. Generous squirt of cream of coconut. Aromatic bitters, 5 shakes. We're making ultimately 2 large cocktails out of this. 5 shakes, I think that was 4. There's 5. Then some Cointreau. Cointreau is a liqueur flavored with orange. Another dash. About the same amount of cream of coconut that you use. And a double dash of orgeat syrup. Orgeat syrup is an almond flavored syrup that's key to this equation. I really think you get a much more flavorful Mai Tai with the orgeat syrup, the cream of coconut. To add a little bit of acidity, a squirt of lemon juice. That was 2 squirts, that's okay. And then in the shaker with some ice, you shake. While we're shaking, I'm going to talk to you about another secret ingredient. I prefer the Old Smoky. These are Old Smoky moonshine. Cherries actually marinated in Old Smoky moonshine. I call this the Aloha Tiger Mai Tai. I have some tiger striped glasses. Unfortunately, they're in the washing machine right now. I'm going to be using the leopard flavor, but Aloha Tiger, this is where the roar comes from. It's in the cherries. And I put 3 on a little drink stick. You want to have different colored drink sticks, so if you have multiple people, they understand which drink is theirs. And as I said, in the shaker now, I've got about 2 drinks worth. So I'm going to take that off now and pour. One thing I forgot to do, so I don't want to fill these up, you want to add a little bit of ice to the drink itself. So I'm going to pour out the drink and then put 3 ice cubes in each one. Just keep it cold while you're having conversation and enjoying your Aloha Tiger Mai Tai. Again, we're coming to you from Rainbow Village, sitting atop the island of Oahu. I'm Manta Ray. I'm here with Espresso Joe and the Care Bears. And when you make your Aloha Mai Tai, Aloha Tiger Mai Tai, I think you're really going to like it. So thanks for your time. Give me the thumbs up if you appreciate it. And hey, who knows? Maybe we'll get Espresso Joe to make more of these in the future. All the best. Thank you.